Rest in peace to all the kids that lost their lives in the park. This song is dedicated to you. Fucking shit, we going every single night. In and